Hello, real quick video guys. If you're changing a knock sensor on a Honda Accord, or this one was an Acura RSX, like an '03, instead of taking the intake manifold off, get it up on a lift and get one of these swivel head 1/2 inch and a 1/2 inch socket, 27 millimeter. You have to have this set up because there's not much space. If it's too long, you're not going to be able to get it in. So you get these two in there like that. You're able to just get that in there, crack it loose, and then spin it off by hand. When you try to get it back in, what I did, I put this rubber hose on it. Slip this rubber hose, and then you can get up in there, and that rubber hose, oops, dropped it. Rubber hose will allow you to get the first couple threads started, and then after that you get this back in there and it's easy. Without this kind of ratchet, I would have never been able to get the job done. I would have had to take the intake manifold off. Just a quick tip, guys. Have a good night. Thank you. What the hell is going on here? Well, rubber. Oop, I just dropped this bitch. What the hell?